Hey guys, in this 2025 comparison, I'll show you Apollo.io versus LinkedIn Sales Navigator for lead generation and prospecting, so you can see which tool works best for scaling your outreach. Starting with Apollo.io, it's a complete platform for finding emails, phone numbers, and company data all in one place. You can create targeted lists, run automated sequences, and track engagement without leaving the platform. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is great for researching leads and connecting with prospects directly on LinkedIn. It's reliable for relationship building but requires more manual effort, and you're limited to LinkedIn's ecosystem. Apollo.io also offers built-in analytics, integration with your CRM, and actionable insights, making it easier to scale your outreach faster than just relying on LinkedIn alone. For teams that want a full-stack prospecting solution, Apollo.io often saves time while giving you richer data. So, while both tools are strong, Apollo.io gives you a faster, more automated edge in 2025. If this helped you decide which tool to use, don't forget to like and subscribe for more lead generation and sales insights.